Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. Gusto ko muna kayong i-update sa mga kaganapan po. Kanina, after na tumama ang magnitude 8.8 na lindol sa Russia at nagkaroon ng tsunami warning sa napakaraming bansa. Kasama dito sa amin, sa Albay, sa Bicol region, lalo na po sa karatig bansa ng East Coast ng Russia, yung Japan, pati sa Amerika, sa Hawaii lalo na po, in Australia. Lahat itong mga bansa facing the East Coast. Dito yung dito tumama yung napakalakas na lindol. So hanggang dito sa sa Pilipinas, pati Australia po. Ito yung Australia. Nag-tsunami warning dito sa paligid na to mga kababayan. Ito yung Pilipinas. O ngayon sa Japan po, itong mga giant whales, tinangay po ng tsunami yung mga giant whales papuntang baybayin.
海に打ち上げられているものとみられます。今回の津波との関連というのは情報が入っていませんけれども、千葉県館山市の海岸、クジラが打ち上げられている様子がわかります。何頭もクジラがいる様子がわかります。映像で見えている限りで3頭のクジラが確認できます。千葉県館山市の映像でした。
Nag-beach because of the napakalakas na tsunami waves sa Japan. Ito naman po sa Russia, mga kababayan, kahit lumilindol, diretso lang sa ospital sila. Yung mga doctors continue surgery despite earthquake. Kita ninyo? So yan ang mga magigiting na mga doctors, Russian doctors, mga kababayan. Yan sabi dito sa report, Japan braces for 15 feet tsunami with 2 million people told to evacuate. So ito yung yung aerial view, nakuha na ng video po, yung paghampas ng mga malalaking alon, tsunami wave sa Ibaraki Prefecture sa Japan. Tingnan natin mga kababayan. Yan yung paghampas mga kababayan. Kuha sa helicopter yata, aeroplano ang kumuha ng video. Northern Hokkaido Island. Northern Island of Hokkaido. Yung lindol sa Kuril Island mga kababayan, East Coast ng Russia, Kuril Island.
燃料的にはね、無理しないでパイロットさんが言ってくれてるんで大丈夫ですよ。
Napakalalaki, powerful tsunami waves. Humampas mga kababayan sa mga coastal areas. So talagang nakakatakot siya. Matindi. Ayan po ang kuha.
Kana この辺が一番わかりやすいんですけど、
Parang pelikula, mga kababayan.
ちょっと待ってくださいね。
Sunod-sunod na po ang pagtama ng lindol sa iba-ibang parte ng mundo. Signs of the times mga kababayan. Ito sa Hawaii, Waikiki eerily empty during tsunami warning. Agad-agad kasi na nilikas yung mga residente, pati mga tourists, mga bisita. Ito yung mga nasira na buildings. Yung mga structures yan, nilabon po ng tsunami waves. Kasama ito mga kababayan sa nagiba ng pagtama ng lindol. Napakalakas. Sabi dyan, buildings washed away as tsunami hits Russia in Japan after earthquake. Warnings have also been issued for parts of New Zealand, Alaska, Hawaii, in the entire US West Coast. Pati nga po dito sa Pilipinas, hindi na nabanggit dito. Kahit dito sa amin, no. Camarines-Sur folk urged to stay alert after tsunami warning. Kanina yan. Pero wala man po mga kababayan. Hindi na umabot dito sa amin. Parang normal lang yung tubig dagat. Ito yung nagkaroon ng tsunami warning kanina. Yan o. Buong Pilipinas. Yung mga lugar na nandito sa western part ng Pilipinas. Ito yung sa amin, tsunami alert in Albay. Magalaw yung dagat kanina, pero normal naman po. Mahangin din naman kasi. Post ni dating Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda as of 1:50 PM, Barangay 1, Teodoran Boulevard. Yan o. Tahimik din po mga kababayan. Yung mga tao dito nasa gilid nga lang, oh. Mga fisher folks, fishermen. Ito yung result ng pagampas na napakalalakas na tsunami waves na destroy yung mga coastal structures in the coastal areas sa Coral Islands. Ito po. Yan yung pagtama po. Giba-giba. Kuha ng CCTV. Yan. Ito, pakinggan po ninyo.
Alright, so this is some new video just into our newsroom. This is from an area in Russia. And this is our first look at this tsunami wave. Where we can see, this is called I'm sorry if I mispronounce this, the Severokursk area. And this is in Russia's Kuril Islands. And you can see the tsunami wave coming, and you can see it doing damage. And that's our first look at that as this repeats, Marla.
Yeah, and on a closer look, you'll see the buildings being swept away. So these images are out there. There's a watch for the entire West Coast coastline. Here's what I'm talking about here when you're seeing the buildings being swept away. This is one of the largest top 10
Nilamon ng tsunami waves yung mga buildings ko sa Coral Islands sa Russia.
One of the top 10 earthquakes in the world since 1900, 8.7 magnitude quake. And you think about earthquakes as you get up in magnitude, they're not all the same. I mean, that is a enormous earthquake, which we think happened out in the middle of the ocean. Because if something like that would have happened right under land, the devastation would be
tsunami wave.
Unbelievable. But as we saw with Japan, when we had that big quake there in Fukushima, the tsunami was more deadly than the quake itself. And we know the power of water in terms of a tsunami wave is about as powerful a force as there is on Earth. And it can move buildings, it can move cars, and it can kill a lot of people quickly. Hopefully we don't have that situation here, but it is concerning when we start hearing about these warnings and watches.
This is a live look at a location in Japan. So you're seeing the activity in the ocean, of course. As it relates to the concern here, Hawaii has just been upgraded from a tsunami warning to a tsunami watch. If it strikes there, it will be 7 o'clock, 7:15 their time, local time, Hawaii time, which is not until the 10 o'clock hour for us. We're hearing that would translate. Here's a live look at Hawaii and Waikiki Beach. We're hearing that the worst of it, if it were to happen along the West Coast, would happen in the 1 a.m. hour Wednesday.
Right. So, again, Hawaii now a warning up from a watch. which means that they're more concerned about it and that they are going to be having literal alarm bells, which they have set up for potential tsunamis, that will be blaring in Hawaii over the next few hours to get people prepared for this. Let's hope it's a minor incident, but we don't know exactly what it's going to look like as we continue to follow this breaking news.
Ayan po. Sa Russia po ito. Sakhalin region, Russia. Yan yung pagtama ng napaka lakas na tsunami waves. Yan o. Nilamon yung mga buildings po. Ito naman sa Waray sa Japan. Dito tumama yung magnitude 8.8 na lindol. Kaya yung tsunami warning hanggang dito sa Pilipinas, sa Hawaii. Ito kasi yung Hawaii. Oh. Tapos dito sa parting ito ng Alaska, papunta dito. Hanggang dito sa baba, hanggang Australia yung tsunami warning. Ito yung mga residente ng Hawaii, mass evacuation sila para pumunta sa mataas na lugar. Nagmamadali yung mga motorista po, mga kababayan, kasi ito dagat ito. Yung mga Japanese nagsipag-akyatan sa building. Yan po. Para makaiwas po in case. Yan, nagsipag-akyatan po sa roof deck ng kanilang mga buildings. Ito yung pagampas po ng sunod-sunod na tsunami waves sa Japan. Yan o. Yan o. Flooded na yung mga areas na yan, mga kababayan. Yan o.